If you're looking for the best place that rewards you the greatest in the plumbing field, there's no one better than Reliant. I've been here 2 years and I couldn't be happier. I've worked for 12 years for several other companies and no one has rewarded me like Reliant has, and I see a long future ahead for both of us. No matter what you're great at, they will always fine tune. For instance, I'm really great at diagnosing and finding a situation and talking to customers. If you're somebody who likes that, you get to focus on that. If you're somebody who doesn't like that and you'd rather just turn some wrenches, put in some water heaters, always get paid every single time you're at a job, you get that too. We want you to stick at what you're great at. Reliant really rewards hard work in a number of areas. They're always looking to promote. We're always expanding. The people who are always looking to move up the ladder and stuff are able to do that fairly quickly. I've seen that in just the short 2 years I've been here. I've watched several people move into roles that they've wanted to be in. There's no better place to work than people who value their workers like Reliant does.